Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Mai Grid Gallery. After you install the plugin, you're going to go to any new page or post, and you're going to insert the block. I like to use the shortcode by using the backslash, and you start typing the Mai Grid Gallery, which is the name of the block. You can also use the block inserter here. Now, you can drag your images right into this box. You can upload them, or you can select them from your media library. So I'm going to go ahead and choose all the ones of my aloe plants that I want to show. I think I have about 13 or 14 images selected here. You can see that they display in this grid. Now, the max visible items that I can show here is 8. I can certainly show less items by using the settings toggle here, and I can select any number in between 1 and 8. You can see it's automatically going to change the sizing and the aspect ratio of each image as I add more to my gallery. I can use 0 just to show them all. But of course, I installed 14 images, so I can show all the hidden items here just to remember what I have, but on the front end, it's always going to show 8 max. That's what it's going to look like. Now I can click the Manage Media toggle here, and I can add more items, or I can deselect some items by using the checkbox and selecting that. I can select an individual image here and using the right and left arrows to move them throughout the gallery. I can even make this whole block full width if I want. So after I save this page, I'm going to refresh here, and now I can hover over each image and expand it. And you'll see left and right arrows show up here where I can slide through each image. And this is going to show the full image now, not just the set ratio from the grid. And I can select the X in the top right corner to close it out. Now, again, there's only 8 showing here, but the user can see that there's many more images to show once I expand it. So that's how I use the Mai Grid Gallery.